think our time is when we've mistaken something, and that's that, the more identity I have, the more labels I have, the more, you know, identification I have, the happier I'll be. And because there's this temporary feeling of insulation, but what we don't realize is you suffocate inside of that insulation. And that really what wants to happen is awareness wants to be stripped off and down so that it can be free to roam and explore its birthright, which is this entire cosmos. And there's some really cool it's like once you get that awareness free, there are some really cool things to explore. I've touched something that dissolves suffering, maybe not immediately, but close to immediately. And because it's so majestic, it's so beautiful, that suffering looks like an option I don't want to explore. And it is a choice. I think that's what we'll do next week is I think agency and volition, and the claiming of one's agency and volition, and being the author of your life, the authority of your life, that requires agency and volition. And they're very expensive. Because what you have to say is, I wrote that terrible story. But you also get to say, this is good because I say so. You give yourself the authority to determine your experience of any experience, your perception of any experience.